I'm going to be playing 9 years of Peter the New Cat Monster, and the jungle has been updated again. Let's go ahead and play. I'm an expert at this game. I know this game. Don't mind when I have time off. But maybe in the next one I can play down this road. Okay. Just call it. Okay, well, I'm at the forest. As you see, we see the trees as always. Let's go ahead and level up the fire. We're going to level up the fire. Let's go pick up the wood. Let's go. Fire. Let's go ahead. Let's get the coal. Now take the coal. Okay, now we're gonna level up the fire again. Okay, guys, here's good thing along. This old axe. Yeah, actually, I was gonna make outside myself, but I couldn't because she wanted to answer. I guess she could homework or something. That's who they saw her playing right now earlier. Yeah, so I don't know what happened to her. Yeah, I'm gonna go over there right now. I'm gonna go time it. Because what? Running my what? I'm gonna go bring this log, this coal back. Level it up. And now we're gonna put the wood up here. She just put the one thing and it's not gonna level up, and since we're running out of wood again. Let's put the wood. That should look good. Looks better now. Guys, the fire safe like that, so that's good. So let's go find items. I hope we find like a. I don't know what we should find, but just go. I wanna like this word doing a bunny for it. Usually I'm an expert at getting concepts. That bunny no pieces. So this is what I do. Strategy is you just keep running and chopping. Yeah, running and chopping. You want to see the new cat monster so bad. Bro! I hate when I don't the bunny words. The cat monster, cat. Where's it gonna be? Where's it gonna be? Catty ready. Okay. Catty. That's sweet. Cat's not here. Wait, what? Catty! Catty! Oh, he's sad. Little kitty. Let's stay here. And then just keep on waiting for the bunny side. Bah! Got food though. Usually I consider an expert at getting the food, and I'm an expert at getting scrap, like the materials. I'm good at that, but I'm not good at kind of. Now we're gonna go explore. But if you know none of it, want to talk about it. Bill Trader is Lana's boyfriend. Lana's boyfriend. Yeah. I don't know. He's how many people talking to him. And if he gets the help from people, he doesn't know. At least we're gonna get a wall. And I'm going up and going to the see, but I'm gonna eat it. You have to kill your friend. No, let me clean it. And hurry, wolf. We got a wolf power at least. We got steak. We already got one of these. Different power trader. I do not